So it's a little bit challenging, I'm seeing, a little bit challenging to tell you exactly what it is that I'm seeing as concept. But I can start with this, it steps it down though. So the moment I start with, it's any activity that occurs in what you call mind. See this distinction of mind. Any activity that occurs in mind. So that once again talks about activities. What I'd like you to do is close your eyes. Thanks. And raise your hand above your head. Okay. Now, if I tell you your hand is not above your head, what in your experience suggests otherwise?
My image of my hand.
Okay, what else?
Feeling.
Absolutely. Weight. Absolutely. Okay, put it down again. Okay. Now, okay, you can open your eyes. So, see, without the feeling, you would not have the image. See? Try it again. See, notice that without the feeling, you don't have the image. You do have an image, but what I want to invite you to grasp is that you are translating the feeling into an image that relates to that feeling. Play with it a little bit. Say, notice. You have a sensation without which you would have no arm lifting, would you? See? And that sensation you translate into, conceptually by the way, into an image. You see that? So if you move your arm around, move your hand around, take different shapes, notice that you'll continue to do that. See? As if you can see it occurring. Okay, now try not to do it. Don't translate it into an image, just feel the feeling. It may be harder. Just feel the feeling without the image of what's going on. All right, I should give you enough data. So could you do that? Could you do? So in any case, when you try to not do the image, it probably increases your sensitivity to the feeling and the immediacy of the feeling, right? See? And then maybe you get rid of the image. But when you get rid of the image, then the feeling doesn't relate to anything, does it? See, I mean, it doesn't really relate to anything except that you're feeling. It's something I'm feeling. See? Because you're not like saying, oh, this shape, this shape, or whatever, you see. Huh? Huh? Oh. Interesting, huh? Yeah. Yes, sir?
I had a lot of trouble not creating the image.
Yeah.
I had to really tried.
Yeah. So we could think that creating the image is useful. See, it serves a purpose. It's useful. Yeah? Because of course it is. You see. And you do it, when you have your eyes open too. Because you can't see everything that's going on in your body. See? Doesn't matter. You still create an image of what's going on. Well, peripheral vision has some limitations, one of which is not color. You can't see color in peripheral vision. So that means every space you're not, it's not here is in this world is not colored, but when you live in, is colors everywhere, right? See? Seems like colors everywhere. And that's something your mind is actually filling in. See? And we used to do something in the EMB in the old days when we had tons of staff, and we'd do stuff. People would come in, they'd have say a bright red shirt on or a purple shirt or whatever it is. They had some color shirt, and they'd wear a jacket over that, see, so nobody could see the staff members, right? And then we'd have, people in the room, and then I would tell them to fixate on, say, the point of the easel or some other place, because there's so many people. Well, we used to have so many people, that they had to have different vectors. But in any case, they would fix that and say, okay, now keep staring right at that, and then the staff members start moving forward and wave your hand. They would wave their hands up and down, see, because you can pick up movement. And so they would start moving forward, and then when everybody could see movement in the corner of their eye without focusing, right, then they'd raise their hand. And then we blah, 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 we got everybody raising their hands. They'd say, okay, now what color is their shirt? Saying they would take the jacket off, right? Saying, what color is their shirt? Say, you can't tell. And they'd tell, oh, see, like that. Anyway, it was just something. We stopped doing that because we didn't have that many staff, and it was just fun anyway. It was fun. It's fun. Fun with science. Fun to show people things.
Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please consider joining a workshop. They're more powerful than you think.